Good morning. I'm Sally with the Homespun Hobby, and I'm getting ready to wrap up some paintings to ship out. I wanted to share a couple of tidbits with you, and I wanted to ask you for some help, or some feedback. First, I want to show you this necklace. I am not materialistic, but I saw this necklace and I just had to have it. Now, I got this a while ago from Kelly B. Bling and Sparkle. And you can find her on Facebook, Kelly B. Bling and Sparkle Divas. She sells paparazzi. So I got this blouse from Northern Reflections. When they were in the US, I worked for them as a store manager for a long time, and I still buy from them in Canada. And I saw this necklace, and I just had to have it to go with this blouse. So I'm not a fashionista, so I'm pretty impressed with this. If you think it doesn't go, I'm sorry. Okay, so I am packaging up a bunch of From Paris with Love by Emile Vernon. And this factory that did this for me, they do not print out inventory sheets. Some factories do, some don't. I don't know why. I have recently received a complaint because they bought a painting and there was no inventory sheet in the painting. So I'm going to ask my contact for an inventory sheet. And if the factories don't do it, I'm going to ask them to send me the information so I can make them on my own. So something like that is beyond my control. So a complaint like that is unfair to me. But the end user may not know that not all factories make these inventory sheets. So in defense to them, that's just lack of knowledge on their part. And so that's what I'm going to try to change for everyone is I'm going to ask companies for inventory sheets from now on. So what I wanted to ask you for is suggestions. See, I am not a materialistic person. I make do with what I have. So for me, those toolkits that come in the paintings, I'm fine with. And I realize other people like nicer things, like a bigger tray. My personal opinion is those little pink wax squares are fine. Those plastic pots that the wax is in, they come in pretty colors, they come in pretty shapes, they say thank you. For me, well, I recycle what I can, but for me, those are one-use things and they're nice and you just throw them away. And they also cost a little bit more. So, and then the drill pens. So I have drill pens for sale. I have some fun ones on my website. But I'm okay with those pink pens. See, I don't have arthritis yet. I'm expecting it. My mom had it in her hands. And I don't need a larger pen that other people find more comfortable. So I don't have those things available. So I want to know what you want because I want to be able to meet your wants, desires, and needs. So let me know what you're looking for and I will look for them and try to have them on my website because I don't want to limit your wants, needs, desires, ideas to my thinking. So I've been in retail sales and customer service for years. That's where my experience lies. Uh, so I am accustomed to having people describe to me what they want and meeting their needs. Like when I worked at Northern Reflections, people would come in and, oh, I like birds. Okay, so, we had clothes with cardinals and blue jays and all that kind of stuff on there. And when I worked at Barnes and Noble, people would tell me what kind of books they liked. I would help them find that book or make suggestions from what I've read or what other people read or what customers have told me about. So that's where you come in is I need your help to find more things. And sometimes some factories will work with me because I'm a smaller company. They'll sell me a smaller order. And then there are other companies where you have to buy like 1,000. There's a drill pen that I really like, and I thought it was absolutely adorable, but they only sell it in 1,000. Now that's because they have to make a profit too. So I was kind of bummed that I couldn't get that. And I actually sent that pen to my contact and I said, I can't buy 1,000, but if you can buy 1,000 and sell me a few, I'll do that. And I'm going to have to go back and check to see if they did. Of course, it's not his decision to make. He has to go somewhere else. But let's see, was there something else I wanted to do? Oh, the biggest, most important thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you're still with me, please, if you don't know who Tiny Worlds of Wonder is on YouTube, Tiny Worlds of Wonder, please subscribe to her and also subscribe to Diamonds and Washi. So Diamonds and Washi is Kate or Katie, and Tiny Worlds of Wonder is Jessica. And they have put together an event that starts on May 1st. So the two of them are going to make videos alternating back and forth, working on old masters paintings. So if you have an old masters in your stash or you're wondering what to do next, you can join their event, and it's going to run for several weeks throughout the summer. So you do have to have an old master's painting to work on. You do not have to finish it by the end. They are going to alternate every week doing videos on this event, and there's going to be prizes. So that's going to be really fun. And they have added a link to my website, homespunhobby.com, in the description of their event as a place to find uh, old masters. So right now in stock, I have From Paris with Love, and I have 15 more coming in round. I should have it this week. I have one. I have one left of Young Girl Reading. I am having that redesigned into a larger painting. And I have a bunch of paintings on my site that you can pre-order. And, it's going to be 3 weeks to a month till they come in. And it just happens that way. I was working with them, and then Jessica made the announcement. So I added more. I was working with this factory, so I added more images to have made into paintings from old masters. And I have 4 paintings that are going to have 100 colors. They are Off. That's the name of the painting. Off, A Cozy Corner, Ophelia, and the other one is the Gallery of the HMS Calcutta. So they're going to have 100 colors. That factory will only do this in round. I asked them to do it in 100 colors, and they agreed. But they said round only, no squares. And they're not going to have AB drills or anything in there because I didn't want to make the painting more expensive. So 100 colors in those 4 paintings. I'm so excited about that. The other images, some of them are going to have AB drills in round and square. And I've ordered certain paintings only in round or only in square because those are the paintings that have been ordered on my website, and that's what I put in the order for to fulfill my inventory. So thank you for watching. I hope you'll join Tiny Worlds of Wonder and Diamonds and Washi. And thanks for sticking with me. Subscribe, please, if you want to find out more about Homespun Hobby and when my other paintings come in. And thanks so much.